Double kill, yeah!
Yeah.
You betrayed me.
Who cares? There goes the fire alarm again. Ashley must be burning down the house. I guess we should leave. Fire. Oh, look. Scary fire. Ooh. Should we get Tina? Nah. Too lazy. Let's just go. She's a buzzkill anyway. I wish we had a better sounding fire alarm. Yeah, one with pizzazz.
Hate listening to that old monotone fire alarm beep.
Yeah!
Want a fire alarm with pizzazz, style, and an Austrian accent?
Yeah?
Well, you need the Arnold Schwarzenegger fire alarm.
What's the Schwarzenegger fire alarm?
Well, half pint, I'll tell you. The Schwarzenegger alarm incorporates Arnold Schwarzenegger into your alarm with neato catchphrases.
Groovy, let's try it out. Oh no, fire!
Get out now!
What?
Get out!
Yeah.
It's not a tumor, it's fire.
What?
Who is your daddy? And what does he do?
What?
It doesn't matter, get out!
Okay,
now.
we're going. This alarm is super groovy. Yeah!
Get to the chopper, now!
What chopper?
Just get out!
Okay, we're going.
Hasta la vista, baby! I'll be back when there's another fire!
The Schwarzenegger alarm has been approved by the governor.
The game march, the man and the woman.